If you want to connect a printer to your Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can open settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna go to connected devices. Over here, choose connection preferences, and you should be able to find the printing option. We can start with default print service. Of course, make sure that it is enabled, and as you can see, now we are looking for available printers. And if you manage to find your printer over here, then of course that's good, you can select it and you will be connected. However, in some other cases, what you might need to do is go back and choose Add Service. You will open the Play Store with different plugins, apps that are made for specific printers. So you might want to choose the service, the plugin, whatever it is called, and install it on your phone, and then you might be able to use that in order to connect your printer. And in some other cases, printers have their own apps, so you might need to check the user manual, for example, in order to find out which app you need to download from the Play Store in order to be able to connect your printer. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.